Hello guys, in this easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can send live snap without media upload. This is going to be a very easy tutorial. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you just need to open the app here. Okay, so after guys, you open the app, you just need to record a very small clip. I'd say like less than 1 second. Okay, just press and hold for 1 second and hold for 1 second. Now, after that, guys, what you guys need to do here is to click on this plus button here at the very bottom and hold for this plus button, click on it. Okay, so after that, you will be able to see these options in the top right. As you can see at the very bottom, you can see this image icon here where it says import media. Click on it. Okay, so after that, guys, you just need to import the media here, and then after you click on it, now what you guys need to do is to go back to the first clip you recorded. Okay, just click on it, first click and on hold preview for 1 second. Okay, after that you want to go back to the first and clip, hold for and then you want to delete it and hold for 1 second. Okay, click on delete and then click delete, and this is the clip, and then you will be able to send it to anyone you want. You can also add the sound to it. Now click send, and then you will be able to send it to whatever friend you have here on your Snapchat. And that's exactly, guys, how you can send live snap without media upload. Hopefully this one helped you guys. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the